Hey YouTube, today is the day that we are actually going to get back on to this here skid steer. Figured it's about dadgum time I need it. I really do need to get it up and going. And it's sitting back here long enough that I'm going to, I don't even know if I'm going to fix that tire to move it. But I think I'm either going to hook onto it with my pickup or see if I can go get my neighbor's tractor, or maybe if he's available, have him help me drag it around front. And I'm gonna park it underneath this canopy. I'm gonna see if I can push it in backwards, get it underneath this here canopy. If not, I'll put it right there in this open area right here. I got another canopy, I'll set it up underneath it. That way it's out of the way, or in the way, I really don't know. If it's in the way, then it's incentive to get it going. I would drag that out of the way. I need to finish that up, but we'll figure it out. Gotta go get the keys to that piece of junk. Oh, by the way, everybody, right there is its new heart. Picked that up off a buddy of mine. Great guy, hooked me up with this motor. Another 5.4 Triton, supposed to have 120,000 miles on it. So that motor is gonna go in this truck, since that old one that's in it's pretty shot. It's got a lot of mechanical issues. You know, truck runs down the road 70 mile an hour, no check engine lights, but has a lot of mechanical issues. You know, for no check engine lights, pretty impressive. But you couldn't hook onto the trailer and pull her down the road 70 mile an hour. She just won't do it. About anything you hook onto. Heck, she's getting to where she can't even get out of her own way. She's just so lost in power. But this video ain't about that truck. Let me go talk to my neighbor and we'll see if we can get that skid steer moved, and we'll film it as we can. Alright, I got my neighbor's tractor and I got it hooked to the skid steer. I have no idea how this is gonna work. So you jump on the skid or the tractor here, put it in first. Alright, bring up the RPMs. Hopefully it comes. That seems like it's gonna work just fine, maybe. Great. That's in the way. Skid steer's not turning with me. It's coming though. Nice and slow. Uh-oh. Now I did it. Crap. Great. Don't turn. I'm gonna have to re-unhook. I'm gonna put more slack in the chain here. Give myself more room. See what that does. Because now I'm up against this. Straighten the wheels, go backwards. Nope. boy, trying to do this one-handed. Dadgummit, come on. It's gonna come one way or the other, dadgummit. Don't break your hydraulic hose. You got a very narrow area to go through. It's going to run over everything over here. Come on now, clear it. Don't hit my welder. I don't know how I'm doing it, but I'm getting there. I gotta get past my dump truck. I still gotta get past my trailer. Once I get out on the road, I'm home clear. It doesn't turn. It wants to steer itself into stuff. Sorry about the bad camera. I'm gonna get this over by the garage so we can get a pressure washed and go through it. The chain's caught on something. Dadgummit. Hopefully I don't break it. Fixed place on that machine to hook that chain to, so it's just sliding right across the latch hookups on the front of the bucket. I can maneuver this. Pulling back here now. Going backwards easier than it was pulling out forward. Finally, after I don't know how long, sitting over here by the garage. That's where I had hooked it, sliding on that right there. Gotta do what you gotta do to make it work. Sorry about the camera again. I guess since I do got his tractor, I could move my welder over here as well. I've been wanting my welder moved over here by the garage for a while. Got a new addition for the garage. Got me a refrigerator. No, it ain't clean, but we're getting there. But all right, so now I'll have to get the pressure washer. I'll give this thing a bath. I'll probably jack it up, pull some blocks underneath it, and pull all 4 of these wheels off. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull this gear off of it because I don't know, I might just end up cleaning all these welds up and then doing something here. Kind of cleaning that up where they cut the roof off of it originally. I don't know why they did it, but I don't know. But I'm gonna take that LED light bar off the top and take that switch controller out, all this old wiring, take all that out. Doesn't look like it hurt anything over here. The chain was getting bound up. That hose needs replaced anyway, so it's not the end of the world. And this hydraulic cylinder needs to be rebuilt, so. Alright, I'll keep filming when I get started. Alright guys, as for right now, I'm going to end the video right here on this Bobcat. I have to go borrow a pressure washer. Mine kind of blew the pump on it. So I have to have something to pressure washer down with. So I will eventually go get that, hopefully here soon, because I really want to get all the back of this all pressure washed so we can get in there and start taking the alternator and all this stuff off and troubleshooting it, see what all those, a lot of these hoses are in good shape. I think I only got 1 hose that I need to replace and 1 tire to repair, but other than that, we'll get, I think I'm going to take that thing off the top, cut that off and fix that hole. I don't really like that. I don't really know the purpose of it, but we'll figure it out, figure out all the controls, but at least it's here now. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment, give me some feedback. Appreciate everything. Enjoy all my subscribers. I thank every one of you, and y'all have a great day, and God bless you.